So that's the key. As science shows you the things that are made through meditation, you can then begin to understand the divine things unseen. Look at what you do. You got Jesus Christ. Here, look, here's the earth. We've been through this. E for earth. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. What happens to the sun? It goes through the cross on December 21st. December 22nd and 23rd and 24th, it's in the tomb of the winter solstice. On Christmas, December the 25th, by the trajectory of the earth, the sun is born on December the 25th. It goes up into the Lamb, intercourses with the Lamb, and then sits at the right hand of power, and summer comes. By understanding science, you understand God, you understand Jesus Christ, because what does Jesus Christ do according to the book? He comes down from heaven, goes through the cross, sits 3 days and 3 nights in the tomb. He is born on, quote-unquote, December the 25th, of a virgin. I forgot that. Out of Virgo, the son is born. He rises up to the Lamb, sits at the right hand of power and new life. By understanding science, you understand Christ. Why? Who cares? Because inside of you, the solar plexus, that is the Jesus. You allow the Jesus to be crucified by meditation. The Jesus then raises itself. The chrism, the oil flies back up to the pineal gland. It ignites the pineal. That is Christ returning up to the Father. That is out of a virgin consciousness. It rises up, opens up the right hemisphere of the brain. Summer comes to your life. All done scientifically, all done according to law, all done according to the principles of creation. Has nothing to do with hocus pocus. Has nothing to do with sitting down saying your prayers, has nothing to do with singing Amazing Grace or anything else. It has to do with plugging into the science of the universe as God created it, and Jesus told you, Buddha told you, Zoroaster told you, Hare Krishna told you exactly what to do in order to plug this thing in and to become one with the universe here on this earth as it is in the sky, and you'll